Have you ever taken a photo that looked busy or flat, even though your subject was amazing? You know that feeling. You see something beautiful, grab the shot, and the result just doesn't do it justice. I've been there many a time. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire, and empower your photography 1 60-second tip at a time. So here's the truth. It's not your camera holding you back, it's your composition. Good composition isn't about being artsy, it's all about making your photos clear, powerful, and emotionally connected. Think of composition like conducting an orchestra. Every element in the frame plays a note. When they're out of tune, it's just noise. But when they're balanced, the whole image is in harmony. Your job as a photographer is to direct that visual music, to guide your viewer's eye to see what you saw. Lines, light, colour and space, they're your instruments. And once you learn to use them with intention, you'll start creating photos that feel as good as they look. And if you want to dig deeper into how to master this skill and see why even breaking the rules can work, check out my full video, Composition Demystified, here. It's packed with practical examples to help you make every shot sing. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, it's about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.